thank you for joining us today.
Yeah.
Today is a beautiful day, and we are on our way to Seaport Village.
And here is called
She's
Burial.
never been there
Morgan
before.
area.
The last time we were
Burial
there,
Morgan.
it was
This is,
a while
this
back.
area
So
here is God's
let's see what we can do with her there. Let's go, and it should be fun. วันนี้พาแม่เพิ่นมาเลาะอยู่Seaport Village ก็ถ้าเพิ่นออกมาแดดเนี่ย Say hi to people out there. Say hi. Okay, come on. This is the first rest for her after walking from the parking lot to the park here. So we're gonna do this quite often because she can walk that long distance like we do. Careful a little bit. I'm gonna take you over there. Okay? On this side. Water. But other than that, yeah. Remember to put this on the top of the and go to the island. That's the island. We have lunch. Dinner. Grab some drink, you can have your red wine and fall asleep. Yeah, let's stand away here a little bit. So you can look at the seaboat. Alright, turn around. Look at this way. Yeah. Okay, is that better? Okay, not too far up. I don't want you to fall down. Okay. I do not want you to fall off this thing, okay? You could do it if you wanted to. Well, you never know. No, the wind might. If we want, we can go grab a table and sit up there a little bit, okay? Good. Now, take a look. Walk around. Get your leg exercise a little bit. Now that we can sit down and grab some food. Like, you don't have to eat a lot, but just have some eat, drinks, and relax. โอเคอยากมาทั้งหน้าได้ถ่าย down? Start saying to you, okay? What do you want?
Not yet. Just walk first.
Walk first, okay. We walk first, okay? Can you exercise first and then you walk? เต็มหมดแล้วที่ตะวันนะฉันเขาเอาตู้ที่นี่เลยก็
บ่ไปนั่งคนก่อน
มันเต็มหมดแล้วบนมีคน
บ่ไปเพิ่นสิก่อนโอ้เอาไปถือได้
I want you to sit right here. There you go. Now, what do you want to eat? Drink? Something to drink? Well, I was telling them to dye red, so I was going to tell them to dye red, so that will be, it will look like it's just red wine. But they do sell red wine here. I didn't realize.
Probably charge about $100 for half a glass.
Margaritas. Oh, wait. Don't even start it, Keith.
Refreshing.
Come on, you'll show you a little bit.
It's good to be out here. It's nice. Nice guy here. So you enjoying it? Good. Glad you get out of the house. So you like it being out here? Yeah? Wow, this is really nice picture. ออกมาอมงามอ่ะ Yeah, sweet potato.
She's taking a picture. She's a still photographer.
Ketchup? Yeah.
I think you should be professional. Oh, thank you.
Have some. And put it. Just put it right here. Okay? And put the ketchup right here. มาซิมกันมาสั่งอันนี้มาสั่งมากินด้วยนึงผักกอดโอ้แซ่บ It's crunchy. It's really good. แซ่บเลยมีมันหวานอันนี้มันเนี่ยก็บานแล้วก็จะหอมมันเนี่ยก็
มันดัง
มันดังมันหวานเนาะ sweet potato หวานเดียวอ๋อ good
How tastes good?
That's enough for you. Have some. You don't want to do that, right?
My eyes were stacked by the pressure.
Valentine.
To everything.
เขาเจ้าเว้าหยังก่อน
ฮะ
เขาเจ้าเว้าหยัง
เนาะ
เมื่อ
เขา
กี้
จะดีใจที่มาพาแม่มาเที่ยว
โอ้
แล้วก็ขอบใจเขาเจ้า
นะ
เนี่ย
ส่งผู้เมียหันกันเนาะมาเบิ่งโยนคืออีบา
let's take a walk โอ้ต้องถ่ายเขาไลน์แต่ละคน Yeah, you got 2 pounds. Wow, happy to do that. Yeah. You also have a whale watching. You also have a whale watching boat. Whale watching. Oh yeah. Like this. So, big size. You can't see you from here.
Quite far away. Look how small they look.
Yeah, they are.
And yet it doesn't look.
They all look at you when they see everything.
Huh?
They all look at you because they think of the parents, I guess. Every time the people walk by, they all look at you. Oh. Hi.
But it is smooth.
Right now, they could sleep somewhere. They must have a place where they could sleep. Right, you could sleep on here at night. Otherwise, you see them way around. What's that? Yeah, but what they this season, that's why so you have from here. And then watch it take Well, we spent a couple hours here already, so it's time for us to go back now. I think someone need a nap. Just put your leg in first and you'll be fine. Okay, now push yourself in more. There, go. Okay. Okay. Up there, put it.
So close to the park, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice?